Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm super excited to be showing you all these new quantitative platforms that we're going to be stacking USDT from for the week. Now I know you're super excited and you can't wait, but just be patient. Now this is the conversion rate a dollar is to a naira. That's if you're watching this video from Nigeria. Otherwise, if you're watching this from outside the country, you're just going to use the conversion rate of USDT to your own local currency. Now how do you need to get started? All you just need to do is to click down the pinned comment in this video, or you check down the description box of this video. I'm going to be making a live withdrawal, so make sure you watch this video carefully. Now quickly, let's get started. All you just need to do is register using your email account, then you set in your login password and your security password. For me, I'm already registered on this platform, so quickly let me just input my email address right here and then a login password. So let's get started. I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal in this video so you guys can actually see for yourself. So let me just click on login. So once I log in right here, the next thing for me to do is to show you guys how to actually earn. You can see my login is successful. Now you can see you can actually read through this detail and then you close it. So I'm done with that. So the next thing that you just need to do right here is to just make sure you come here. So once you come here, what we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be doing what is called quantify. Now if you have been on my channel for a while now, you can see how I do different form of quantification on a daily basis so I can actually earn. Now for me, what I did here on this actual platform is that I made use of 10 USDT, so I'll be earning an interest rate. Now if I want to recharge, all I just need to do is to click on what to recharge. But before you do that, you need to just see the different packages that are available. So let's just go check the packages that are available. If we tap on quantify right here, you can see quantify is the second icon counting from my left and the third icon counting from my right. So once you click on that quantify, you are going to see there are different level of VIP upgrade. For the VIP one is around 10 USDT, and I'm going to be earning 22% from it. So let's even see what the 22% is going to give us. So let's tap on start quantify. Now for tap on start quantify, what you are going to do is that you are going to come back after 24 hours and click on this start quantify, so you can actually earn your interest rate based on how much you started right here with. So let's see the quantification of this 10 USDT, so you can actually know what the quantification level is going to be for VIP2. So let's wait, let's see a bit. Now while we are waiting for that, the next thing you need to do is to what? Once you just click on that quantify, right, make sure you scroll down, you can see the various level of quantification, and the VIP2 is around, okay, you can see this is what we're going to be earning per day. That's 2.1 USDT per day from 10 USDT. This is approximately around almost 4,000 naira plus. That's if you're in Nigeria. So I want to make withdrawal of this. I just go and click on the me icon. The me icon is the first icon counting from my right, and then I tap on what is called withdrawal. So let's quickly withdraw this right now. So I'm going to withdraw it and also show you guys how you can also recharge for yourself. So let's withdraw it for ourselves. Let's see. Let's quickly go. I'm just doing this in everything right here before you guys, so you guys can actually see. I want to withdraw this immediately. So for me to withdraw this, all I just need to do is to come right here and click on withdraw. Okay, this is my total revenue, right? You guys can actually see this. Let's go on the home page. We click on close and we tap on. No, you can see now the withdrawal, everything is here, right? This is withdrawal. I tap on withdrawal, right? Now me, I love to use USDT BEP20 network, and I want to withdraw the total amount that I have here. Please make sure you are coming to withdraw every day. So let's go click on USDT BEP20 network address right here. Now this is actually an official disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. All I do here is to show you guys different ways that you can earn and stack USDT on the cryptocurrency space. It's left for you to actually make your own decision out of this educational video that I'm actually making for you guys. So let me just quickly do this right here. So what I did here now is that I impute my security password. You can see my withdrawal is confirmed. Remember, we have a login password, right? And then we have after the login password, we also have the security password. While you are registering, you made use of what? The login and security password. So let me recap this again so you don't make any mistake. If you want to recharge, the recharge icon is in the home page. If you want to withdraw, the withdrawal icon is in the home page. So after you've recharged, you come back to the home page, click on home. Home is the first icon counting from my right, and then you want withdraw. If you have any question, please make sure you find a way down to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments. It's also in the description box, and it's also in the comment section. You can find your way down to my Telegram channel so you can participate in different token adoption of your choice, so you earn. Week in, week out, I drop different quantitative platforms for all of us to actually earn. Let's go confirm our withdrawal. Remember, we withdraw 2.1 USDT, right? So let's confirm it now. Let's go, let's confirm, because it just takes less than a minute and then it arrives. So let's refresh and see. Remember what we actually had here earlier on, right? So our do have actually arrived. I've seen it, so you can see it right here. Our 2.1 has arrived successfully. So that's how you actually need to, that's all you need to get started on this platform. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe.